Hello and happy teaching. Asking students to be creative is always a fun way to push and stretch their thinking with our content. When limited to tight budgets and web-only Chromebooks, sometimes creating and editing images can be difficult to do beyond the basics of something like Google Drawings. However, there's a couple free web-based options out there that provide similar functionality to Photoshop without the software or price tag that comes along with it. Check these out, there's two of them. The first one is called Pixlr. When you go there, you'll end up seeing a screen something like this. You may have to allow it to run Flash. That's just a couple clicks telling it to go ahead and do it. Depends on your computer. Once you do that, though, you'll get to this screen and you can start kind of from a blank slate here if you click Create New Image. Or if you have an image on your computer that you want to edit and do something with, you can do that. Or you can browse from the URL. If you create new image, you'll get this option. I would just recommend going with the standard default. Click OK, and then it turns into what feels a lot like Photoshop. The other one is Photopea or Photopia, not sure how to pronounce it, but when you get there, you have these three options. Similar to Pixlr, you can open a new project, you can open something from your computer, or you can do some things down here that I have no idea what they mean, but if you know what they mean, you can do those too. If you do a new project, again, I would just go with the default unless you know exactly what you want. And then when you go with the default, it looks a lot like Photoshop as well. Hope these two tools can be helpful to you or your students. And if you want some help exploring using them, come on up to the hotspot. We can explore with them.